Ever wondered how to make the perfect paper airplane? A feat of simple engineering, a marvel of aerodynamics, an exercise in patience and precision. It's a task that's both satisfying and engaging. Let's embark on this journey of creating the perfect paper airplane. First, procure a clean, smooth sheet of paper. A standard 8.5 by 11 inches would do splendidly. It's all about starting with the right canvas. Next, fold the paper in half lengthwise, creating a crease down the middle. Open it up again, revealing a line that will guide the next folds. Then, fold the top corners into the center line, forming a peak at the top. This is the beginning of your airplane's nose. Now fold that peak down to meet the edge of the paper. It's like tucking in the nose of your paper airplane for a cozy night's sleep. The next step is to fold the top corners into the center line again, creating a narrower peak. It's a bit like your paper airplane is donning a sleek, aerodynamic hat. Now, fold the plane in half along the original crease. It's beginning to take shape, isn't it? Finally, fold the wings down, aligning the top edges of the plane with the bottom edge of the body. And voila, your paper airplane is ready for its maiden voyage. To summarize, making a paper airplane involves these key steps. 1. Start with a clean, smooth sheet of paper. 1. Fold the paper in half lengthwise and open it again. 1. Fold the top corners into the center line. 1. Fold the peak down to meet the edge of the paper. 1. Fold the top corners into the center line again. 1. Fold the plane in half along the original crease. 1. Fold the wings down, aligning the top edges with the bottom edge. Whether you're in the quest for a fun pastime or a quick project to keep the little ones engaged, creating a paper airplane is a delightful venture. It's simple, it's creative, and it's a testament to the wonders of flight. So go ahead, give it a try. Make that perfect paper airplane. Your journey into the world of aerodynamics begins with just a single piece of paper.